Here we're simplifying rational expressions, and we have a fraction 3y plus 6, and then the denominator y squared minus 3y minus 10, and that fraction is going to be divided by the fraction numerator 27, denominator y minus 5. So I don't need common denominators to multiply or divide fractions, but when I divide, most people think keep, change, flip. So I'm just going to take my first fraction and rewrite it. 3y plus 6 over y squared minus 3y minus 10. Change my division to multiplication and then flip the second fraction so that it will now look like y minus 5 over 27. So I've taken care of one little step in the problem. Okay, the next thing to do, instead of trying to multiply all this together, is to see if we can factor and if anything will cancel out. So look at the first fraction, 3y plus 6. We can pull a 3 out of the top, and it'll be 3 times y plus 2. The denominator is y squared minus 3y minus 10. You can go through your quadratic factoring techniques, and that should give you y plus 2 times y minus 5. You can either check behind me there, or you can factor it yourself, which would be a good idea because you could probably use the practice. The second fraction here, y minus 5, there's no common terms there. It does not factor. And 27 is just a number. If we need to reduce it, we can. So when we look at this thing, we see that in the numerator we have a y plus 2 that will cancel out with the y plus 2 in the bottom. And then comparing the first and second fraction to each other, we have a y minus 5 up top and a y minus 5 in the bottom. So after all those cancel, we have 3 over 27. But that reduces down to 1/9. So our scary looking rational expression that had y in several places and some numbers in there reduced down to just a little fraction, 1/9. There we go.